Shalom, this is your brother Wasilkamilbey coming at you 4 a.m. in the morning. And this is Sham Stopper, stopping the bullshit before it starts. This is not legal advice, nor sovereign citizen movement, anti-government, police, all that, you know what I'm saying? Just ready to do this lecture on time sharing. What does time sharing mean? We're going to start with the word share, okay? Let's see what share means. I like to divide one's own to give part to others. Meaning confess one's sins openly. The language of a moral rearrangement. Sharing, portion. See that? Meaning part of capital of a joint stock company. You see that shit? Huh? That's what they see your offspring as. And you too if you've been married with the state. I'm gonna get on alimony. My next video. I'm gonna get all your money. Look at that. See that? Now I got my videos short and sweet. See what y'all dealing with, you know what I'm saying? Look what she'll open and say. Look at her.
Since more parents are increasingly sharing custody or parenting time, many courts have been awarding a parenting time credit toward the payer parent's child support obligation. With shared parenting, each parent incurs basic expenses for food and transportation when the child is physically with them. Also, when each parent provides the child with his or her own bedroom for overnight stays, such that the child basically has two households. Each parent obviously incurs fixed residential expenses for the child.
Now, let me go to my history. Alrighty. Now listen to this lady here.
This program is not intended to replace professional legal advice or representation. If you have a legal concern, you are strongly encouraged to seek the advice of an attorney.
Them powerful sisters. Can't tell them shit.
Hello everyone, I'm Unique Otto, attorney at law in South Florida with the Otto Law Group. Thanks for joining us for this episode of Now You Know the Law. So you've had a child with someone. Maybe you were married, maybe not. But for whatever reason, the relationship has disintegrated and you're going your separate ways. Both parties, however, want full custody of the children. Here's what you need to know. In Florida, courts prefer a shared custody arrangement, allowing both parents quality, liberal time with their child. In fact, we don't so much use the word custody anymore. Instead, we use the term time sharing.
Didn't I just show you guys time sharing? It's an accounting term, banking term.
Time sharing is a type of visitation in which one parent is usually awarded the physical custody of the child, while the other parent receives generous visitation rights or shares the time spent with a child.
See that? That shit should be equal.
In making determinations regarding timesharing, Florida courts are governed by the best interest of the child standard. The court has to weigh several factors in determining what is in the best interest of the child, whether he should spend the majority of his time with the mom or dad, or whether time should be divided equally. The statute that governs this lists over 20 factors that must...
Okay, a statute lists over 20 factors to tell a grown-up what to do. Sheets of paper. You see what I'm saying? Come on, people, now think. A statute telling you what you created, what you can and cannot do. That sounds like some authoritarian shit.
be considered by the court in reaching this decision.
The corporation.
Here are just a few. The mental, physical, and emotional health of the parent.
Emotional help. Now, who is more emotional? Who is emotional?
Any history of child abuse, domestic violence, child neglect, or abandonment. The parent's ability to respond to the needs of the child and not his or her own needs. And also the stability of the home that each parent can provide for the child. Now, back in the day...
Well, you know, most of these women that's on child support, if they can provide for the home, what is child support for? Bingo. Come on. Same with these niggas too.
It used to be presumed that the mother was in the best position to care for the child. And the father would have some rights, but not the best rights.
You hear that?
He may be given, for example, weekend visitations or sometimes just every other weekend. You should know that this is no longer the presumption under Florida family.
Would y'all deal with people like this? That's just me, man. I wouldn't deal with people like this. I wouldn't even give them my money. They need to be out on the street selling some pussy. I'm just gonna be honest. For real talk, they need to be out eating from a trash can. Real talk.
Laws. Both parents are deemed equally fit and qualified to provide care for their children. It doesn't matter that one parent does not want the other parent to see the child for moral reasons or any other reasons. Things like smoking weed, too much partying, multiple sexual partners.
You hear that? Now, if she professional, why she gotta throw all that bullshit up in the game?
And so on. That parent would have to show under the law that the other parent is unfit to raise a child based on the factors we discussed earlier and the others listed in the statute. So here's the bottom line. A complete parenting plan includes lots of information about where the child stays, with whom, what days, and making decisions about the child's health, extracurricular.
You gonna let these type of people get in your business. See, child support is for minorities, people who are minors in the mind, and who are incompetent and wards of the state.
Activities, education, and so on. It's a very nuanced process, but a competent attorney can assist you in navigating this kind of matter. If you're facing a divorce, a child support, or child custody issue, give us a call and we can help you. Thanks for joining us. I'm Yannick Otto. We'll see you next time, and now you know the law.
No, that's your law. That's your opinion. But anyway, people, get at us. We can help you over here at Sham Stoppers. You know, take your case, start your case the right way. Not that 1983 Declaration of Act bullshit. Not that. Fuck that. You know what I'm saying? We got some better shit over here. Regular plain shit. Because if it's hard and difficult and technical, it's a fucking lie. Okay? People talking in circles, that's a lie. Alright? You can win, you can get off child support. You can unvolunteer, you can beat it however you want to stay with this bullshit. You know what I'm saying? If you got negativity around you, negative energy, get rid of that shit. Real talk. Especially the niggas and bitches talking about, oh, you can't get off child support. Cut them motherfuckers loose. Let them be on the wayside, go tab somebody town and tear some shit up. You know what I'm saying? Because eagles cannot fly with motherfucking chickens. So, this ain't legal advice. This ain't anti-government shit, sovereign citizen shit. We don't learn no sovereign law. Nigga, we learn the laws of nature over here. And that's what we teach. And get at us, shamstoppers.com. Check the website out, go to it. You know, be like Nike, just do it. And hit us up, the email and the phone number. Peace.